I made a full-size minigun out of cardboard, and to get it done, I had a little help from a new little friend. Everyone say hi to the Chomp Saw. This little doohickey is a kid-safe cardboard cutting machine, designed to do one thing and one thing only: make cardboard art easy and accessible to people of all ages. Given that's exactly what I'm trying to accomplish with my channel here, a partnership with this product seems like a match made in heaven. And that's exactly what it is. The Chomp Saw is reliable, easy to use, surprisingly quiet, and loads of fun. You can pick one up for yourself using the affiliate link in my bio. Drink lots of water and happy crafting. I'll see you in the next one.